Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Bingo Cash game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bingo Cash game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you will get $50 as a reward within your account. Go ahead and tap on the Save in Wallet option, and you will be told that you will be able to cash out once you meet a few requirements. And now you can immediately start enjoying the game. But if you wish to change the sound and music settings and turn them off, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner from the main menu. And now you will see the music effect as well as the sound effects toggle button. In order to turn them off, simply tap on these buttons. And now this will turn off the sound and music effects within the game right away. You can then close the settings and start playing the game by tapping on the Play Now button. And now you will be able to enjoy the Bingo Cash game with sounds disabled, and you can go back to this menu at any time you wish in order to turn them back on once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds on the Bingo Cash game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.